Different reading tasks. Jigsaw. Usually, jigsaw is designed for large reading tests. In this activity, different parts of a text are distributed among different groups of same number of participants. All the group members of the group read the assigned part for their group silently and then discuss among them. After the discussion, each group member of every group is given a number or letter A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3. Next, rearrangement of groups is done. Learners with the same numbers sit together and form a new group. In the new group, each participant will discuss what he or she has read from the previous group. Thus, the whole text will be clear to them, though each of them has read only one part. Postbox activity. This is an excellent reading task. Learners are given some questions and a text. After they finish reading, they write the answers to the questions on supplied pieces of paper against the questions. Each answer is then separated and put into different boxes for different answers. Learners then get into groups and each group sit with one post box. Example, one questions and analyze it. They then interpret the answers of the whole class and present it before the class. It usually takes about 40 to 50 minutes for this activity. Snowball activity. This can be done after reading activity. Each learner will have a piece of paper. After reading the text once, each learner will write one question on their respective piece of paper. They have to crumple the papers into balls and all standing up will throw it to each other. Next, each of them is to take one paper ball and answer the questions written on it. Time can be given to read the text again and find the answers out. With some variations, this can be also used for practicing other skills as well.